Today is June 2, death anniversary ni Tatay, and we hang this flag to remember that in this house there was a soldier who lived and served the country, the Republic of the Philippines. Uyong died on June 2, 2021. What do you want to tell Uyong if he's alive?
I need Uyong alive.
What do you want to say Uyong when he's alive? Uyong,
What's that sound like?
it's just a bird. Okay, what do you want to tell Uyong if he's alive?
I'm gonna wake up Uyong.
You're what?
Wake up Uyong.
I don't understand you.
Wake up Uyong.
You're going to wake up Uyong every morning when he's alive. Okay.
When gods are there.
Okay. Okay.